that just don't care.
All right. Our first challenger tonight hails from 8 Carrot Road. Put your hands together for B Rabbit. And first on the mic tonight is the reigning champion, the MC Hunter, Elmer Fudd with a PA.
I'll get you, Rabbit. No! I'm taking you to school. Call me the professor. You're sexually confused because you're a cross-dresser. You like to kiss men, and that's where you're funny. Call up, you have to, you a gay boy, buddy. You're lost on this stage. You need a map junkie. You made a wrong left turn at Albuquerque. One more. I'm a pimp because my hunting apparel's hot, son. Doing drive-by on your home with my double-barreled shotgun.
Now hold on a second, Mac. It's not rabbit hunting season yet. Please? Okay, your turn, B Rabbit. Yo. I know that you call me a rascally rabbit. Say your R's like W's, that's a really bad habit. It's rule, not bull. Trees, not tweed. To replace so many R's, I thought you was Chinese. You're so stuck on yourself, I'll call you Elmer's Glue. I got you some coffee, 1 lump of 2.
So?
I only dress like a Goyle to prove that you're gay. Would you like a kiss, handsome?
Really?
Okay. Elmer Pax Fudd, you heard what I said. He's so bald, I'll put a hair on his head. I'll sit down on your head just like I was a thinker. Ain't I as tempted? Holy tomato! B-Rabbit wins! B-Rabbit wins!
I'm a display.
Yo, B-Rabbit, it's me, Dr. Dre.
What's up, Doc?
Ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. I like to offer you a record deal. You're gonna go down in history as the first gray MC.
That's all, bitches.